Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to do a quick video of the fact that some of my coffee plants are growing. I started them from seed and it's been a long process to get them to this stage, but I've actually got coffee growing in Canada from seed. This is one of the examples I've got. It's doing quite well. You can see the old seed is attached to the top and the plant is growing up. I have about 10 of these plants now in my little greenhouse. And so what I thought I would do is share the process that I've been using. As you see, I have some seeds in the water here. And all I've done is I've taken the seeds that look decent. These seeds actually look quite good. They're a Canadian supply that I'm pleased with. And they look very healthy. Some of the seeds I've tried in the past look really dried out and white. These ones look actually rather healthy. And I have here warm water, not terribly warm, but just around room temperature, and a little bit of potassium. And I'm going to let these soak for about 24 hours, just like that. I got a bunch of them because they were fairly inexpensive. It's about 75 seeds. I didn't actually count all of them, but it's about 75 seeds, which is a pretty good number. And some of them are floating and most of them went down. And we're going to soak these now for the next 2 days, or next, well, maybe day and a half. Let them get really good and soaked in this potassium water. And then we'll tune back in and see what happened. We may get some more seedlings, in which case I'll have to find homes for them, because I don't think I can have more than a couple of coffee plants in my house. But anyways, I think that's really quite neat, here in Canada, growing my own coffee. Or at least a coffee plant. Anyways, thank you for tuning in. Take care. See you soon.